Transmitters on every mountain in Ireland. Mick, tell me about these screens behind us.
Well, basically the screens on the left-hand side there are the 4 analogue services. These are the ones you're going to be switching off in 1 minute and 2 seconds. And then here on the right-hand side are the new digital services. There's the terrestrial StairView service, and then there's also the StairSat service, the satellite solution. And between both those services now, there's a free-to-air solution available at the rooftop of every home in the country for the first time. So,
and it's not an exaggerated mistake. You do literally monitor in here every transmitter on every mountain in this beautiful country of ours. How do you do that?
Yeah, well, you can see some of the computers here in front of us, and they're obviously connected to the mountain tops via microwave radio links and via fibre optic cables and stuff like that. And then it's all fed into various software programs, and then the engineers sit here and monitor it, and they can switch sites on, off, services up, down, and power things up and down and keep a good eye on it from here, make sure nothing is going wrong.
And we've got 20 seconds to go now, Mick. Is it a big day for all of you guys in here?
It's a big day. We've been looking at this for a number of years, so it's great that it's happened, and we're now hit the
10 seconds. 9,
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch.